This is Mexico's Baja Peninsula. From up here, it may look like paradise. But down here, where they run the Baja 1000, it's possibly the most treacherous place on Earth. 1,062 miles of engine-choking sand, scorching heat, and jumps. It'll shake apart just about anything. Just finishing the Baja 1000 requires a high-performance engine in perfect running condition. We put engine 44 8AA, with the equivalent of 163,000 brutal miles on it, into Mike McCarthy's customized off-roader.
We're going to put another 1,072 hard miles on it, the hardest miles.
The starting line, Ensenada. The EcoBoost engine powers the F-150 past all stock full trucks. Before long, it passes 7 other vehicles at speeds up to 100 miles an hour.
Baja Pits will be there if you need anything.
During refueling, the team suspects something is wrong when the tank only takes 16 gallons. Then they realize the EcoBoost engine is simply using far less fuel than they expected.
We were getting over double miles per gallon average what we would normally get. We told them to just skip the last pit stop. It's a game changer, man. 40 minutes ahead of my schedule, so you're running faster than we thought, so I guess that's good news, right?
McCarthy and the EcoBoost engine have driven through the night and are halfway there. The truck climbs from 100-degree desert heat into the freezing mountains. The abrupt temperature and oxygen changes don't faze the EcoBoost engine. The finish line is within reach. EcoBoost engine 44 8AA roars into La Paz and across the finish line.
Congratulations, officially finished the Baja 1000.
It's awesome. Engine's running fine. It's ready to go another 165,000 miles.
It's overcome 38 hours and 20 minutes of merciless torture. To put that in perspective, of all the vehicles that started the race, a third failed to finish. The Baja 1000 caps the F-150 EcoBoost torture test. 5 challenges that subjected this engine to stresses no owner possibly could. Proof that EcoBoost has what it takes and what every truck owner wants.